Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Take a breath and allow yourself to fully notice the breath. What your body feels like as you inhale and as you exhale. As you continue to breathe, notice each breath. Notice how your breathing slows and how the muscles in your body relax each time you exhale. Focus completely on the breathing process, fully noticing each breath and letting your body relax more and more with each soothing breath. As you continue to breathe slowly and comfortably, notice the relaxation beginning to flow through the muscles of your body. As you scan your body, you may focus on particular muscles and letting those muscles smooth out, become very smooth and relaxed. With each breath, your muscles relax even more. You feel the relaxation flowing through your body, bringing soothing comfort to all your muscles. It feels very pleasant as you relax more and more with each breath you take. In a moment, I will describe a pleasant scene. Just allow yourself to listen to what I describe and fully immerse yourself in the image. If your mind wanders, just gently allow yourself to refocus on the image. Now imagine that it is a hot day. You are in a tropical garden. You can feel beads of sweat on your brow as you walk through the lush garden. The shade of the overhanging branches and vines protects you from the direct heat of the sun. The warmth of the day feels soothing to your muscles, very relaxing, very pleasant. You notice flowers of all colors and sizes growing profusely throughout the trees and bushes. Lavender, pale yellow, pink, soft blue. You hear the chattering of squirrels as they chase one another through the branches of the trees. You follow the garden path of crushed gravel, crunching softly underfoot. As the path winds through the garden, you notice butterflies flitting from flower to flower. Notice the different markings, colors, and sizes of the butterflies. Notice the contrasting colors of the butterflies as they alight on a flower. An orange butterfly on a blue flower, or a yellow butterfly on a red flower. Soon you come to a small clearing with a wooden bench swing on the edge of the clearing. You feel the wooden slats of the bench give slightly as you settle on the bench and feel your back firm against it. You rest one arm on the wooden armrest and feel the sway of the swing from the movement of your body. The swing is partially shaded so that when you sit on the swing, you are under the shade of the trees. When you gently push against the ground and the swing begins to move more rhythmically, you feel the touch of the sun through the leaves. You notice the flickering of the sun as you swing back and forth, to and fro. You feel the gentle movement soothing to your body, swinging back and forth, to and fro. Nearby, a cool spring flows over and around some rocks. You listen to the sound of the water as it splashes over the rocks. You watch as a bird lands on a rock on the edge of the stream and dips its beak into the cool, refreshing water. You notice the swirling of the water and the different patterns it makes as it tumbles over the rocks. A gentle breeze stirs through the clearing and over the cool spring water, bringing soothing comfort from the heat. You feel the softness of the breeze gently touching your cheeks and drying the beads of sweat on your brow. As you continue to swing, you are lulled into a pleasant awareness of the movement of the swing, back and forth, to and fro. You feel the tiny contractions of your muscles in your legs as you push your feet against the ground, moving the swing. You're almost mesmerized by the flickering of the sun and shadows on the ground. As you swing, a small songbird lights on a nearby branch and begins to sing. You realize it is a mockingbird as it begins to sing one song after another, imitating the songs of various birds. You hear other birds in the background calling out to one another. Next to the swing is a small table. You notice a tall glass of ice water sitting on the table. As you watch, you can see the drops of condensation flowing down the side of the glass, one at a time. The ice cubes sparkle under the sunlight, peeking through the leaves of the trees. You reach out to pick up the glass and feel the cool, slippery, wet sensation of the glass. You hear the ice cubes clinking against one another as the water sloshes around in the glass. You raise the glass to your lips and feel the cool sensation of the glass and the wetness of the water against your lips. As you take a drink of the water, you feel the cold liquid in your mouth travel down your throat and into your stomach. You can feel the coolness of the water in the center of your body, contrasting to the warmth of the day. You place the cool glass against your cheek and feel the coldness seeping into your warm skin. The ice cubes clink against one another. You take an ice cube out of the glass and hold it in your fist. You feel the coldness of the ice cube as it slowly melts in your fist. The drops of water run down the side of your hand and drip down to the ground. You see a drop of water land on a blade of grass and run down the length of the grass to the ground. When you open your hand, you see that the ice cube has completely melted. Your hand is wet, but as you hold it out in the warmth of the sun, it quickly dries. You stop pushing against the ground with your feet and notice as the swing slows down. You feel the gentle sway. Very gradually, the swing becomes still. All around you, the butterflies are flitting from flower to flower. You watch their gentle flight, and as they drink the nectar from the flowers, several butterflies are hovering very near to you. One gently rests on the back of your hand that is resting on the arm of the bench. You can barely feel the touch of the butterfly, almost like a soft kiss. You watch as the butterfly spreads its wings under the flickering sunlight as the breeze stirs the leaves of the trees. The butterfly gently lifts into the air, and following the gentle currents of the breeze, it settles down on a rock by the stream that has some water gathered into a miniature pool on its surface. You feel pleasantly warm as you take in all the sights and sounds of the garden. You lie down on the bench, feeling the gentle sway as you look up into the leaves of the trees. You see the light of the sun flickering through the leaves as the swing sways back and forth, to and fro. You listen to the sound of the spring. You hear the squirrels chattering and the birds chirping. As you watch the gentle movement of the leaves overhead, you feel yourself becoming more and more drowsy. You're so relaxed. The soothing warmth and the movement of the swing lulls you into a pleasant nap, just swaying back and forth, to and fro. You feel so relaxed and comfortable, so pleasant, just enjoying this very pleasant day. You know you may awaken whenever you are ready, feeling fully rested and refreshed.